Okay, so for today's video, we are going to install your Manicam. Manicam is very useful in giving you rewards o pag-add mga effects to add mga klase. So, this is how we are going to install it. First is to uninstall and deactivate your Windows security. So what you're going to do is go to Windows Security, Security, type na rin mo. Right after, yun mo na siya i-click, click, and then manage settings, off na yun ako. So, i-off, kanan. So again, virus threat and hidden positions, manage setting, dito ka sa manage setting, i-off mo tanan. Okay? So, wala na siya. Next is to turn off your Wi-Fi. That is siya. So, right after is na-download na nimo na siyang kini siya nga kuan is i-open nimo open with WinRAR. Ang password ano niya is 123. Okay. Tapos, looks like you're not connected in the internet. So, after na extract nimo. Right? So, muna siyang extract. So, nanakaan. Go to that folder, this folder, and first delete this setup. So, ingat niya disable. Mostly if not needed. Install the program. Install giving password register. Done and share about antivirus compressed Linux. So, install giving patch register the program. So, that's it. Okay? So, close na po na. Pinakaiban. Okay. So, right click, run as administrator, run, yan mo, ano din ka diri, yes, alay mo siya. Pag mo na mo yes, accept, still accept. So, installing na siya. So, ulat-ulat lang tagamay, and finish. No? So, mahuman na. So, mo start up ni siya, public networks to allow. Okay. Allow. Tapos, i-close lang na nimo. Close na nimo. Ari ka diri, ngita kag any blank space diri, task manager. Then, pangitanin mo si Manicam. Dini siya. And, end task. Wala. Ato siya. Tapos, dini si patch. Dini siyang open na sad. Open with WinRAR extract. Ang password is 123. So, password is 123. So, 123 extract. Close na na siya. Ano din ka sa patch? Kining patch siya. Kuan, imo na siya i-copy. Copy. Pag mag-copy, ato ka sa naaman sa Manicam diri. Manicam, right click nimo, open file location, and control V. Continue.